Hey guys! Welcome back to my channel. So today is a very exciting day for me because I am going to unbox my newly purchased Huawei Matebook D14 laptop. Actually, ilang araw na itong nasa akin. Ngayon ko palang bubuksan. So hopefully, hindi naman bato yung loob nito, guys. As you can see from the sticker, I purchased this online because I didn't want to go to any physical stores na iwas labas-labas. I ordered this online through abenson.com. They recently had a promo price. So, mas nakamura yung bili ko dito sa laptop na to. Parang less 3,000 pa siya. Laptop after ilang years? 6 years? Basta last laptop ko nung second year college ko pa ata. Kaso nasira. After that, hindi muna ako nag-purchase ng laptop kasi mas mahal yung mga gastusin ko sa school noon. So, nakikihiram na lang ako sa kapatid ko. So, pag kailangan ko ng presentations, projects, nakikihiram lang ako sa kapatid ko. Natanggalan natin yung plastic. So, we have freebies then. Thanks to Abenson. So, yun din talaga yung kagandahan ng titingin ka sa ibang mga stores. Kung sa official store kasi, parang nung tumingin ako that time, wala pang freebies. So, nung nakita ko nag-promo sa Abenson, may mga freebies na din nakasama. So, we have a mouse. Wireless mouse. May ako nabuksan to. We also have their bag. Ganda, in fairness. My laptop. Huawei Matebook D14 notebook. Color space gray, CPU AMD Ryzen 7 3700U. GPU AMD Radeon RX Vega 10 graphics. RAM 8GB, storage 512GB, SSD, screen size 14 inches. Guys, hindi ako ganun ka-techy So, don't expect na sobrang detalyado yung mga specs dito. Before talaga, parang months before ako bumili nito, nagre-research talaga ako. Siyempre, kung anong mga specs na maganda, yung babagay lang naman sa akin. Hindi naman ako nag-expect ng sobrang pag-gaming specs, gaming laptop. Actually, for personal use ko lang talaga. Kasi nakapag-ipon din naman ako. So, why not buy something that I've been wanting to buy for ilang years na but can't afford. So, bago talaga dapat bumili ng product, nagre-research ka din kung anong gusto mo, specs, kung anong klase ng laptop. We have the laptop itself. Yung charger nito is USB-C. Ito na usually yung mga charging ports ng mga cellphone din. Pwede rin charger and phone i-charge mo gamit ng charger na kasama dito sa laptop na to. Fortunately, hindi pa Huawei yung phone ko. So, ang alam ko kasi may Huawei share na application dito sa laptop na to. Since hindi pa ako Huawei, susunod na lang yung cellphone. Nakaipon-ipon at pag nasira na ang aking current phone. So, now we have laptop. Buksan na natin. Ganda, friends. Ganda ng kulay niya. Okay. So you can see, parang may screen siya. Kasama, nakaipit dito sa keyboard. we have the finger touch, power button, and the recessed camera. Yung camera niya nandito sa baba, between F6 and F7. So, ipop-up up mo lang yan pag gusto mong gamitin yung webcam. So, perfect yan para sa mga privacy, para sa mga hindi din masyadong naka-open yung webcam. So, we have ports here, right and left. Nice na! Tapos may feature din daw siya na 180 degrees open. So, try natin. Sabi na kapatid ko, wag gawin to, but we'll just try. Amazing! Okay guys, so it's charging na. I'm just going to set it up first. Can I finish?
Hi there, I'm Cortana, and I'm here to help. A little sign in here, a touch of Wi-Fi there, and we'll have your PC ready for all you plan to do. If you need an assistive screen reader, press the Windows, Control, and Enter keys at the same time to turn on Narrator. Your keyboard is set to US. Want to stick with that?
Korean. Yeah, sure.
Do you also type with another keyboard layout?
No. Skip.
Now let's get you connected to a network. That way you can get updates, apps, and cat videos as soon as possible. How about the first one on the list?
Connect.
Now type your credentials.
Amazing. Ang ganda ng keyboard niya na.
Mission accomplished. You're all linked up.
Lakas ng speaker niya, in fairness. Yung speaker niya ata nasa base ng laptop. Tapos, yung microphone naman, dito banda sa may touchpad. Pero ang ganda ng audio niya, hindi siya parang sabog. Ganda ng keyboard. Sakto sa maliliit ko. Daliri. The touchpad is smooth then. It's nice, big enough. Set up.
Follow the instructions to teach your PC to read your fingerprints.
Iba na ako.
Now let's link your phone and PC using a Microsoft app that can work some magic between your devices. We'll send you a text to get everything set up. Just type your phone number and press send.
Sabi dito, install this app and sign in to link your phone and PC. So, may download mo na niya. This might take several minutes. Okay, fine.
A few moments later.
Habang nagsiset up pa, chika muna tayo ng konti. Nag-research muna ako kung anong klaseng laptop gusto ko, kung anong brand. Tapos, humingi na rin ako ng advice sa mga kapatid ko kasi mas alam nila kung ano yung mga specs, mas techy sila kaysa sa akin. So, hanggat nag-come up kami sa conclusion, sa decision na itong Huawei na lang ang kunin ko kasi best buck for money daw. Sulit na kahit papano, tapos maganda pa yung specs. And affordable. Grinab ko na agad yung opportunity kasi parang limited time lang din yung promo nila. May freebies nga din. Wala pa lang COD. Kaya through debit card ko na lang siya binayaran. And sure naman ako na mag-guarantee na laptop talaga to at hindi ba to sa loob ng box. Kasi sa abenson.com mismo ko nag-order. So, trusted seller din naman sila kahit papaano. Okay, so setup is done. And right when you open the screen. Yan, itsura niya. Ang ganda! So, Microsoft Edge is already installed. I heard na mas less RAM usage ang ginagamit niyan than Chrome. So, it's another browser then. So, at the taskbar, we have Cortana, Task View, shortcut for Microsoft Edge, File Explorer. We have Microsoft Store for apps, I guess. Then we have Mail, or emails. So, andito din yung mga programs niya. Yan. So, tayo mag-focus. So, AMD Radeon settings. Oh, the speakers pala are Dolby Atmos. We have basic Microsoft softwares here. Excel. Yan. Office, OneNote, Outlook, PowerPoint, Skype, meron na din. Word. Yan. Ay, paano kaya tong Xbox na to? Yan, connecting through phone na. I will see and explore this laptop more. Sabi ko sa inyo guys, hindi ganun ka-techy yung magiging unboxing na to. I'm just excited to have a new gadget, to have my own laptop finally. Hindi na ako manghihiram sa mga kapatid ko. Hindi na sila maaasar pang naghihiram ako ng laptop sa kanila.
But then I fell for you. Back against the ball, against the ball, against the ball. That's how it felt with you. You were walking and talking, and somebody said, let's get tattoos again. Too soon, forget whatever. Give me shapes and letters. If it's not forever, then at least we'll have tattoos together. I love you. I love you. From the moment that I saw you naked. Yeah, I could never love nobody else the way I love you, baby. It looks so good, I had to save it. I've been hoping, praying we last forever together. Something to remember. If it's way too soon, forget whatever. Give me shapes and letters. If it's not forever, then at least we'll have tattoos together. 'Cause I love you. 'Cause I love you.
Thank you guys for watching. So, I hope this will be the start talaga of my editing and video, Photoshop skills, whatever. And sana mas lagi na akong mag-upload dito sa YouTube. Hopefully, kasi meron na nga akong bagong gadget, bagong laptop. So, thank you guys for watching. I hope to see you soon.